वेलकम बैक टू द फ्रेश एपिसोड ऑफ योर फेवरेट शो अबाउट गैजेट्स। आप सभी को पता है दिस इज गैजेट्स 360 विद टेक्निकल गुरुजी एंड आई मीन हर बार आई ट्राई ब्रिंगिंग इन समथिंग न्यू एंड फ्रेश फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। और बेसिकली गैजेट्स की दुनिया में इतना कुछ नया होता रहता है दैट दिस शो इज ऑलवेज filled with new information, packed with new stuff just for you guys. And आज इस एपिसोड में I've got some amazing new stuff and at the same time कुछ interesting बातें भी हैं, some facts and also I'm going to answer your questions as well. So बहुत कुछ होने वाला है in the next few minutes. जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते और पता लगाते हैं what's happening in the field of gadgets. Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav aka Technical Guruji. You're watching Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji. जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Guys, you know the drill. It's pretty simple. Before we move forward, it's time to go ahead and have a look at news of the week.
गूगल ने रिलीज किया अपना अब तक का सबसे एडवांस्ड एआई मॉडल एंड इट्स कॉल्ड जेमिनाई. जेमिनाई को एक मैसिव डेटा सेट पे ट्रेन किया गया है एंड इट इज बिल्ट फॉर मल्टी मॉडलिटी. Google has claimed that Gemini is the first model to outperform human experts on MMLU, which is Massive Multitask Language Understanding, one of the most popular methods to test the knowledge and problem-solving abilities of AI models. Audi इंडिया ने मुंबई के बैंड्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स में इनॉग्रेट किया एक अल्ट्रा फास्ट चार्जिंग स्टेशन. Specialities include India's first 450 kilowatt ultra fast charging e-tron hub with a high-powered gun to deliver up to 360 kilowatts, and it is a first of its kind hub क्योंकि इस hub को green energy power करती है and इसकी roofs में solar panels लगे हैं for peripheral electrical requirements. The 5 charging bays are compatible and open for all EVs plus Audi की e-tron के owners के लिए March 2024 तक usage and charging free है. Intel launched their Core Ultra series of processors. ये एक नया generation है for Intel and it includes focus on features like Intel AI Boost, Intel Arc GPU on some models जो high realism gaming and content creation के लिए helpful होगा and a long desired balance on battery life and performance. Tesla showed us their AI-powered robotics capabilities क्योंकि उन्होंने unveil किया अपना latest iteration of their Tesla bot in true and typical Elon Musk style to show that Optimus में improved balance and full body control है. Optimus Gen 2 is shown doing squats in a gym and to demonstrate कि इस robot में tactile sensing है in all of its fingers. In the release video इस robot को एक carton में से eggs निकाल के उसको एक boiler में place करते हुए दिखाया गया है. Void Interactive's Ready or Not was recently updated with a couple of improvements and इसमें fixes हैं for PC players. Updates में एक नया Commander mode है, next generation AI system है, एक नया tablet system है for objectives and communication and overall visual enhancements भी हैं, including new character customizations.
Now friends, we are following tech. आप सभी को एक बात तो क्लियर पता होगी that in the field of smartphones we get like new models बहुत जल्दी एक के बाद एक and sometimes these phones are repetitive. But once in a while हमको एक ऐसा फोन मिलता है जो हमको लगता है कि oh, this looks like a great package and that's what I have here. This is the all new iQOO 12. Just अभी लॉन्च हुआ है. Very capable phone. It's a complete flagship package from iQOO, packed with performance, packed with features. और अगर मैं इस फोन के बारे में बात करें, I'll tell you some brief context that this phone brings multiple things for the first time in a smartphone. In India, for the first time, we are getting the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. For the first time in the country in this phone, iQOO 12. हमारे पास पहली बार in this segment we have a triple cam setup that's 50 megapixels, 50 megapixels and 64 megapixels. This is the phone iQOO 12. For the first time we are getting a phone जहां पे the display can go as bright as 3000 nits. तो बेसिकली द फोन इज काइंड ऑफ फिल्ड विद फीचर्स. हमारे पास में एक 6.7 इंचेस का बड़ा सा स्क्रीन है रनिंग एट 144 हर्ट्ज. द बैटरी इज 5000 mAh. You can recharge it using 120 watts charging and this phone packs a lot, and for gamers, for guys who want to click nice pictures, who want to overall great package of a phone, have a closer look and decide for yourself that how exactly is this all new iQOO 12.
iQOO 12 कंपनी का लेटेस्ट फ्लैगशिप है, इंडिया में जस्ट अभी लॉन्च हुआ है। It stands out as the first in the country to feature Qualcomm का powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip alongside its Q1 co-processor। ये compete करेगा OnePlus 12, Xiaomi 14 एंड अदर फोन्स के साथ। इसका बहुत ही एलिगेंट डिजाइन है और ये दो कलर्स में आता है, अल्फा एंड लेजेंड। फोन में एक 6.78 इंच का LTPO AMOLED डिस्प्ले है जिसका पीक ब्राइटनेस 1400 निट्स तक जाता है, which means clear visibility even if you're outside in bright sunlight। Despite this large size, one-handed use is made more accessible with a display scaling feature। इसका रेयर में ट्रिपल कैमरा सेटअप है जिसमें फीचर करता है एक 50 मेगापिक्सल का अल्ट्रा वाइड एंगल लेंस, 64 मेगापिक्सल का पेरिस्कोप टेलीफोटो कैमरा विद 3x ऑप्टिकल जूम। अंडर द हुड एक 4 नैनोमीटर का स्नैपड्रैगन 8 Gen 3 चिप इसको पावर करता है, पेयर्ड विद 16 GB ऑफ रैम। फोन में आपको 5000 mAh की बैटरी भी मिलती है जिसको चार्ज करने के लिए एक 120 वॉट्स का चार्जर बॉक्स के अंदर ही आपको मिलता है, अलोंगसाइड ए TPU ट्रांसपेरेंट कवर एज वेल। Excitingly, with substantial upgrades, iQOO 12 promises a compelling smartphone experience for buyers in India.
So guys, there you have it, the all new iQOO 12, starting price of 52,999 for this package, wherein I would say it's a nice combination between great performance, amazing design and some amazing features as well. And especially this year, I believe with the new camera setup, iQOO is taking things to a next level, especially in terms of photography and परफॉर्मेंस का एक कंबाइंड पैकेज, बिकॉज रेयरली इट हैपेंस हमको स्मार्टफोन्स में या तो अच्छा कैमरा मिलता है या अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस मिलती है या अच्छी बैटरी मिलती है, बट इफ यू कंबाइन एवरीथिंग आई थिंक दिस इज द फोन दैट वी गेट एज द ऑल न्यू iQOO 12 एंड दिस इज इन माय पर्सनल फेवरेट न्यू BMW डिजाइन। एंड BMW M Motorsport बहुत ज्यादा परफॉर्मेंस आपको देती है, so I believe this phone is packed with the same kind of fun as well। अब जब हम कैमरास की बात कर रहे हैं, I'll give you a very interesting fact जो शायद जब आप सोचोगे तो आपको लगेगा ओह ऐसा भी होता है। Okay, so today if you see the computer graphics, the animation, everything, हमको लगता है कि how evolved they have, अभी अगर हम देखें तो it's like lifelike, the way the animations are, the way the things are edited, and we talk about movies, high-end movies like Avatar। When you see that movie, आपको पता ही नहीं चलता है that is it real or is it fake। Now editing का इसमें बहुत बड़ा रोल है, but there is one more thing which counts, and the thing is to shoot the subject in the first place with full clarity, with the right amount of details। I mean, shooting is the most important bit। And we talk about Avatar, so the director James Cameron, he is I think always adamant to push things to the next level, to push imaging to the complete next level। For a fact, let me tell you, जो अभी Avatar 2 movie है, उसमें he was using multiple Sony Venice cameras and they created a custom rig and they had to bolt multiple cameras, and these are high-end movie cameras I'm talking about, and bolt करने के बाद में at the end they got this setup wherein they can easily shoot high-end stereoscopic 3D images from this custom rig, and I believe that's what goes behind the scenes to shoot a kind of movie like Avatar। उसके बाद में of course editing होती है, but just think about it, that how much evolved we are right now, and going forward who knows, with the power of AI these kind of movies could be even better without even all these cameras, but that's how technology is right now। Guys, do you know what is this? I think pretty much instantly you can recognize even पीछे से that this is a game controller। आपको पता है, शायद आप आइडेंटिफाई कर लोगे, दिस इज अ सोनी प्लेस्टेशन कंट्रोलर, बट इट बिकम्स स्पेशल बिकॉज द मोमेंट आई टर्न इट अराउंड यू सी समथिंग यूनिक, एंड दिस इज आई मीन वेरी लिमिटेड। इट्स अ कस्टम कंट्रोलर डिजाइंड इन कोलैबोरेशन विद ऑफ कोर्स मार्वल स्टूडियोज, और जब यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं, सो दिस इज द स्पाइडरमैन थीम्ड PS5 कंट्रोलर। एंड द रीजन मैं आपको ये दिखा रहा हूँ is because that the next product that I have, Sony का नया PS5 limited edition coming along with the new Spider-Man 2 game, and just have a look how exactly this console looks. So futuristic, so nicely done, and I mean for all the gamers, it's a nice treat coming from Sony that we are getting this special edition PlayStation along with this new controller, and now it's available in the country as well. एक बार आप देखो इसको ध्यान से, just have a closer look, and you'll get to know about all the specs and features of this new console. I mean, console is not new, it's आए हुए थोड़ा टाइम हो गया है, but because it is the highest end possible right now in the market, so have a closer look at this new PS5 Spider-Man Limited Edition.
While you can buy as many third-party covers as you want, but जब cover या livery original factory fit होके आता है, the level of quality and buyer satisfaction is अलग level पे. स्पाइडरमैन फ्रेंचाइजी के फैंस के लिए PS5 का मार्वल स्पाइडरमैन 2 लिमिटेड एडिशन बंडल is a visual treat. Of course, the Spider-Man logo will keep you focused on being a good guy, but livery का symbiotic takeover graphic design screams Venom. In the box, you get a PS5 console with the limited edition console covers, a limited edition DualSense wireless controller, एक voucher जिससे आप गेम का digital edition डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं and some other goodies. As for the game, it has been getting great reviews. The ability to swap between the two Spider-Men is enjoyable. Expanded powers with the symbiote taking over your character is highly enjoyable, and generally भी because the map is larger, आप open world exploration and just web slinging around भी enjoy कर सकते हैं. Fight mechanics are really good. Villains like Lizard will give you a hard time, but what must also be applauded is the visual beauty. PS5 के accelerated smooth गेम प्ले एंड एक अच्छी बड़ी स्क्रीन पे विद गुड ऑडियो आउटपुट. ऑफ कोर्स ये गेम एक प्रॉपर सिनेमैटिक एक्सपीरियंस है.
Guys, I'm sure you're enjoying the show अभी तक, जहां पे आपने देख लिया है नया iQOO 12, नया Sony console. But after the break, I'm gonna give you some नई information as well. Coming straight to you right after this short break. Hello guys, welcome back after the break to Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji. My name is Gaurav and break से पहले हमने कुछ interesting gadgets के बारे में बात की थी. We spoke about the new iQOO 12, we spoke about the new PlayStation, but now it's time for me to give you this tip about your gadgets. And I think ये जो चीजें हैं ना, these small tips that I often give you, they're very useful because gadget आपके पास में है, you have the product, but how to use it is even important. तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं about air purifier. Now with the rising levels of pollution all around us, I think it's very common these days that हम सब अपने अपने घरों में at times air purifiers रखते हैं. Now you know what? Just keeping that air purifier in the room or just buying one, that's not enough. आप जब उसको यूज करते हैं तो you need to ensure that the room that you're keeping this air purifier in, उसके जो डोर्स हैं या उसकी जो विंडोज हैं वो प्रॉपरली सील्ड हों so that the purifier can do its job. Secondly, you need to ensure that you are checking on the filters regularly, you are replacing them if required because over time they degrade. तो आपके पास में जो एयर प्यूरिफायर है वो आपको बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स तभी देगा जब you keep it in a closed space, at the same time keep it in a nice condition. And I believe अगर आप ये दोनों काम कर लेंगे तो you'll get a good quality of air around you to breathe nicely and live healthier. Okay, so there we have it. मतलब ये जो सेगमेंट है मैं इसका हमेशा वेट करता हूँ right from the beginning that कब हम पहुंचेंगे towards Ask TG और कब मुझे मौका मिलेगा आपके क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देने के लिए. And guys, the time is now. Let's see what we have this week in terms of questions in this segment, Ask TG. Okay, I'll be very upfront. The way AI is improving in terms of generative AI, जैसे designs AI बना सकता है, AI can get you new logos or new animations, new videos and everything. It is possible that jobs are going, and especially in the creative field, काफी jobs जा रही हैं. So what I would recommend you is get yourself this expertise on AI. अगर आप AI को यूज करना सीख जाते हैं, there is nothing like it. If you can make sure कि आप AI को अच्छे से यूज कर रहे हैं for your own good, in your own benefits, तो आपकी जॉब नहीं जाने वाली है. In fact, you will be in even more demand because everyone knows that AI exists, but only a select few know how to use AI for better. तो आप अगर AI को यूज करना सीख जाते हैं एंड यू कैन एम्प्लॉय AI टू डू इवन बेटर इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर डोमेन, आपकी जॉब उल्टा ज्यादा डिमांड में होने वाली है. What do you think, guys? If you know the answer, drop me an email. You know the address. It's tg@ndtv.com. अगर आपको पहले से पता है तो you can drop in the email. But anyhow, I will give you this explanation. Now the way FM works, or for that matter, any radio communication is working, there's one transmitter and there's one receiver. In the case of FM, transmitter जो है वो आपका station है जो transmit कर रहा है this information over a certain frequency. Now for you to receive that, you need to have that antenna for receiving that frequency. Now in smartphones, for example, for 3G, 4G, 5G, we have inbuilt antennas. But for FM, the earpiece serves as an antenna. So it acts as an antenna for you to receive those frequencies. कुछ phones होते हैं wherein you have inbuilt wireless FM without any earphones. In those cases, the antenna is built inside the phone. But usually, like the way it is, आपको extra एक earphone लगाना पड़ता है so that you have that antenna and you can catch on to those FM frequencies. Long answer, no. Short answer, no. मतलब in both the cases, I'll tell you, this is a complete myth. Doesn't matter कि आप अपना फोन अपनी कार में चार्ज कर रहे हैं, you are charging it from a power bank, you are charging it on inverter. मतलब we at times hear these different things कि अगर आप ऐसा कर रहे हो, it's not good for the battery. This is no. As long as the power that's coming to you, if you have a charger, let's say, as long as that charger is from a good brand, it's giving you a constant output जो rated है उसके ऊपर, your phone's battery is absolutely safe. Does not matter कि आप कहाँ से अपने फ़ोन को चार्ज कर रहे हैं. आप अगर कार में भी अपने फ़ोन को चार्ज कर रहे हैं, it's completely fine. हाँ, just to give you a piece of advice, because normally if you are in a car, chances are that you are using your phone for navigation. And let's say अगर आपने कार में सामने डैश पे फ़ोन को रखा है या the phone is attached to the windshield, because of the light coming in, because of the heat, आपका फोन गर्म हो सकता है because it's doing a lot at the same time as well. तो हो सकता है कि आपकी बैटरी हेल्थ पे फर्क पड़े in the longer run, but that's not because of you charging your phone inside the car. It's because of the temperatures कि आप फोन को जब यूज कर रहे हैं, phone's getting warm for longer durations of time, and वहां से नुकसान हो सकता है, but otherwise it's completely safe. Guys, that's all for this week's episode, and I'm sure as always हर episode की तरह आपको आज भी पूरा मजा आया है, and I'm sure कि आप कुछ तो यहाँ से जरूर सीख के जाएंगे, and you'll go within your friends और आप बताने वाले हैं उनको कि कैसे अगर वो एक एयर प्यूरिफायर को यूज कर रहे हैं तो उनको खिड़की दरवाजे बंद रखने हैं या फिर फोन में बिना हेडफोन्स के FM क्यों नहीं चलता है. So all these kind of things coming your way in more episodes to come. मैं आपसे मिलने वाला हूँ अगले एपिसोड में with even more exciting stuff. Stay tuned. For now, that's all. Have a good day.